Hello, welcome to the demo of my Spring Boot and Angular app. So the default admin is Houssem, also the password. So this is the admin dashboard. You can log out. Also you can create a normal user, sign up. Now I will log in. This is the user dashboard. You can log out. Let's see how the authentication work. This is the backend. I will test with Postman. When I try to get this, I get forbidden. I need to authenticate. Let's get the token. Now I will use it. Now you get what you need. If you need the source code, you can find it on my GitHub repo with some description. If you find it helpful, please leave a star on GitHub.